Hey everybody, in this video we're gonna be covering a question in which we have to construct a binary search tree from a given sorted array of integers. Here we have an array of integers and we have to construct a binary search tree out of this array. So here we have our array, sorted array, and we know in a binary search tree the root node, we got a root node, and the left side of this particular root node is all the values left side is smaller and all the values are of right side are greater. So this is what a binary search tree is. And if we choose the middle element from our sorted array as our root node, then we can evenly divide the right and left subtree. For example, let's choose 10 as our root node. So let's construct a node. We got 10 as our node, which is the root node of our tree that we are going to construct. So this is the left side, left subtree, and this is the right subtree. So all the values right side are greater than 10, all the values left side are smaller than 10. And this is the same case in array. All the values right side of this particular array, this particular number is greater and the left side is smaller. So the values of the right subtree or the values of nodes of right subtree consist of 11, 12, 14 and 17. Okay, and the left side, left subtree will consist of 1, 3, 5 and 9. So this is our first step. Since we are going to use recursion for this problem, so using recursion, we can again find the middle element from these two array. We have divided, the array into two parts here, the left and the right. So the again we have to find the middle element from this one and the middle element from this one to create next root or next parent. So the middle element can be either 12 or 14. So let's take 12 as our middle element. Okay, 12 is a middle element, so we construct a node out of it and assign its the right value of 10 is 12. Okay, so 12 is put here. Now all the values right side of the 12 can be 14 and 17, right subtree, and the left subtree can only consist of 11. Okay, now we have right subtree for 12 as 14 and 17 and left subtree as 11. So since this is one only element, we simply put it. Okay, now we got 14 and 17, and now if we perform or if we find out the middle element from this one, we can either choose 14 or 15, 14 or 17. So if we choose 14, we are only left with 17. So 17 goes straight to something like this. So we are done with the right subtree. Now we recursively call the finding the middle element for this particular array, and we got, let's say, 3 as a middle element. So we will put 3 here. Okay, now we are left with 5 and 9 as a right subtree for 3, 5 and 9 as a right subtree, and 1 as a left subtree. Since there is only one element to the left subtree, so we simply put 1. Okay, we are done with the left side. Now we have 5 and 9. So if we recursively perform the finding the mid of this array, we can either get 5 or 9. So let's say we got 5. Now we are left with 9. Okay, so if we are 9 and it is greater than 5, so we'll simply put the right side of 5, that is 9 here. So this is how we constructed our tree. So let me construct a tree. 10 10 here, then we got 3, we got 3, we got 1, we got 5, we got 9 here, again we got 12, we got 11, 14 and 17. So this is what we got after constructing the binary search tree from our given array. The array was 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 17. This was our array. Now we have constructed this binary search tree from our given array using recursion. Okay, so here is the code. Here we have our sorted array to BST function, which takes array as the input, and in start and end. What is start and end? This is basically the first and the last index of the array. So here this one is the start and this is the end. Okay, now here you can see if start is greater than end, then simply return null. We cannot create array from this. Then we have declared a mid variable which will help us which will get us the middle of the array. So here in this case 10 will be stored in the middle. Okay, now from this middle we create a new node which is the root node of the binary search tree that we have to create it. So we created a new node here which takes the data as mid value of the array. Okay, then we have recursively called the left and right subtree. This is the recursion actually. Here we have array as the input, the same array, and the start. Since we are calling the left part of the array, then start index will be the same, but end index will mid -1, because this one these values are for the left subtree. So for the left subtree, start will be the same, but the end will be mid -1. Okay, then similarly for the right side we have start as mid +1. So this is the start, these are the values in the right subtree. So this 11 will be the start and end will be the same for the right subtree. So end is same here, and these lines are enough to construct our binary tree since we are using recursion. So also we have defined a base case here which creates the node and then recursively called left and right subtrees, and rest of the work is done by recursion itself, and after that we will simply return our node. Okay, so that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more coding interview problems. See you in the next video.